Welcome back everyone. So this is an introductory video about tensorflow.js. So before we begin with the formal definition of tensorflow.js, let's talk about the history first. TensorFlow.js was initially introduced by Google on Feb 11, 2017. The basic purpose was to introduce and train machine learning models on the browser. TensorFlow.js library is built on C++, which actually enables the code to execute at a very low level. Plus, the models are trained in Python language at backend. To run machine learning models, we want CPU, which is Central Processing Unit, and GPU, which is Graphics Processing Unit. We need both of these hardware components because they possess great computational power. The thing is, all of our machine learning based models require great mathematical function capability to operate, while GPU has much more greater computational power than CPU. So our system usually contains both of these hardware. But initially the problem was that the JavaScript could not directly interact with GPU. So later on developers introduced WebGL, which is a web graphic library for rendering or loading 2D or 3D graphics. This library made it possible for the interaction between JavaScript and GPU. Now what is TensorFlow.js? Tensor in itself means multi-dimensional array. Flow means graph of operations, while JS means JavaScript. So let me read the definition, which says an open source JavaScript library for training and deploying models on the browser, which simply means by taking examples like having image classification or object recognition, even recommendation system, these all can be made, trained and deployed on a browser. Now moving on. There are two things in TensorFlow.js, which are the core API and the layer API. Now the core API deals with the low level code, or you can say simply the complex or simple mathematical operations are present in it. While the layer API is built over core API, it involves different layers, which makes it more user friendly for the person using it. We will be getting into the details soon. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.